So they fell off the boat. The island is right there! We just were chasing that boat not too long ago. Oh! 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 We're at a lake. And this car is driving. I'm gonna follow this car. Hope you enjoy our first Quake Vlogs video. It's been a month, I'm sorry. This summer's very boring, so I had nothing to do until now, so yay.
Get in. Okay, good.
Oh goodness. We on the boat? My phone is not waterproof, so I'm scared. This lake is massive. Look how big this lake is. This is insane! Woo! Look at how wobbly the boat is! Oh goodness. The wood is the way up the water. Yeah, but I love the view. View looks great. The water looks like an ocean, but it's a really big lake. Lots of mountain. Well, not really mountains, but they're like hills or something like. The boat seems to be kind of malfunctioning, so we're going to that beach to figure it out, I guess. I don't. Also, the boat's kind of broken. Look at the island. Check it out. It's pretty cool. We're going to the island, but I think we're going away from the island. Right there! Lazangawaka! Yes! Alright. The island's right there. I think we're just going around the island for a little while. I don't know why. We're turning. This is amazing. Nuh-uh.
Going good.
Oscar, break. Oh, a little break here. Ah. Oh, there we go. Now the ocean looks nice. Not ocean, lake. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, jet ski. That's very nice. All right, so a jet ski. That's buoy. Look at buoy. Got a buoy. You guys are now gonna get blind. So they fell off the boat. We going to save them. So we have saved them. Yes. That mountain. I'll zoom what's at top of the mountain. I don't see anything. The island is right in front of us, right here. You know, is it me or does this mountain look super cartoonish? This mountain looks super cartoonish. Followed by there's a bunch of taller mountains behind us, which is very nice. Take a look at this view, guys. This is what I call amazing. That looks fantastic. Wow. Love the view. Oh! Oh, full speed! Woo! Oh! Oh, little turn! Oh! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, that was fun. Oh goodness! All right. Woo! What's that, a boat? What, a piece of trash in the ocean? Look at it. See a piece?
Save the turtles!
Save the turtle. Wait, there's no turtles in lakes. Back in it. Little spring. I am holding on to my phone intensely. All right. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, splash! Oh, splash! Oh! Yes! Oh, no, more splashies? Alrighty! Yeah! Oh, a little bit more splash. Look, there's an anchor. Oh, look at the jet ski! Yes! The jet skis. A little splash action. Woo! Yeah! Look at that! Look at that view! Of course I want to keep on recording this. This is amazing! Yes! Little bit of splash action! Woo! Oh, no feet pigs. Yes! Look at those police boats. We lost our time limit. Our time limit has ended. Maybe the police are gonna go after us. Oh no. Here's the engine. Whoa, look at that wave! Oh my god, this is amazing. Woo! How fast we're going! We're going so fast! Look how fast we're going! Woo! This is so fun! This is so fun! We just were chasing that boat not too long ago. We're chasing you. We're gonna chase you. And I just drove the boat and it was insane. And we're about to go full speed. You can see it on the engine. And there we go. Look at that engine. Well, that's gonna wrap up our video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And goodbye.